Thank you very much. Our main weather tonight is also brought to you by Old Town Redemption Center, offering a 10% bonus on your returnables and a monthly $100 drawing. All right, take a look at those highs for today. Just a few degrees below freezing here in town. We saw lots of areas in those low to mid 30s in the southwestern portion of the state for today, but different story up north though. Millinocket right around those mid 20s. We saw 23 in Holton, 24 in Presque Isle, and 21 degrees in Clayton Lake for today. We can see going to tonight though, our lows are going to be right around Clayton Lake's highs for today, 21 degrees we can see here in town. A little bit warmer in Deer Isle, getting close to 30 degrees, and we see those low 20s still over in Wesley. Up north though, temperatures right around the teens. We're seeing upper teens here in Millinocket, mid-teens, and Clayton Lake right around 16 degrees. As we continue on into tomorrow, we're going to have our warm-up starting, and right as we get into sunset tomorrow is when we should hit our highs, right around 34 degrees. It's showing low 30s here on the models, but it's not really expecting the warm-up like we're seeing. And as we continue on into tomorrow night, we're going to already hit our low just after sunset because the temperatures don't look to drop. They're just going to continue to raise as we go into tomorrow morning. We're going to be expecting right around low 40s as we see, or not tomorrow morning, sorry, Wednesday morning, right around 8 a.m. All right, we can see for the temperature trend showing average this time of year is 37 degrees. Going to Wednesday, when we see those temperatures start to warm, we're going to be well above average. We're going to hit our high right around 55 degrees going into Wednesday. Thursday, though, those temperatures will start to drop. Still a little bit above average for Thursday, high of 41, but then 30s on Friday and Saturday, mid-30s Sunday, and then back to right around 40 degrees going to next week. We can see, though, that weather system is making its way in. It's going to bring some snow into our region for tonight. Right now, it's showing a mixture of rain and snow, but none of that rain will be making its way inland. It will stay off the coast. So a lot of us by the Bangor and coastal regions should see some snow for tonight. So right around 12:30, we'll see that system right on top of us. Most of that snow falling here in town and all of our coastal areas, stretching all the way down to the southwestern portion of the state as we continue through tomorrow. It'll kind of fizzle out here in the Bangor region. Some snow flurries will still be possible north of us, stretching all the way to the northern tip of the state before we become more dry throughout the day. Thursday, we do have another system just after that arriving Wednesday. We can see the early morning hours right around 2:30 a.m. We have that wintry mix chance, and temperatures are just going to keep raising. And we're going to see that rain make its way in right around 7 a.m. and throughout the whole day Wednesday, we're going to have lots of rainfall, and it's going to be very heavy at times, especially going to Wednesday night. Look at all this yellow and red. We're going to have some heavy downpours and see quite a bit of rainfall throughout the day Wednesday. All right, so we can see also we have that snow event tonight. So how much snow will we see? Right around 2.5 inches is what we can see for tonight, but maybe it could be a little bit less. More of those accumulations we'll see will be less up north and only around 0.9 Millinocket, 1.4 inches in Greenville. But we can see some heavier amounts down to the southwest, right around Rockland, 4 inches is possible. For tonight, though, snow showers are likely with a low of 21 degrees. And going to tomorrow, we'll have that chance for a scattered wintry mix more towards the evening, high of 34 degrees. Other than that, we're going to see that rain moving in Wednesday, a high of 55 degrees in, but temperatures do drop going into the weekend, Friday and Saturday, highs only right around 30 degrees. Beth?